Hello everyone, you are very welcome to EnglishLogica. In this video, we deal with the idiom off the beaten path, giving you some helpful examples to use in the workplace and in social situations. The meaning of this idiom is to not be known or popular with many people. The company decided to change up their sales approach going forward. We went off the beaten path in order to achieve better results, and it paid off. Here are some further examples, starting with social situations. They are having a great time on their camping trip. We wanted to find a camping site that was a little bit off the beaten path. He's deciding what to take home from the library. I tend not to stray off the beaten path when it comes to books. I'm not into the newly popular fantasy crime stories. The woman wanted some well-needed solitude and relaxation for her holiday. I went off the beaten path in order to find this amazing island. Here are some further examples for professional situations. After many years, they've decided to open the company up to a new market. After much deliberation, we feel it's the best decision to go off the beaten path in order to allow our business to thrive. The recruitment process wasn't successful and they still haven't filled the vacancy. We need to rethink this. Maybe if we go off the beaten path and come up with a new recruitment strategy, we'll find a different type of applicant. As time went on, they still couldn't strike a deal. I recommend we stray off the beaten path because our approach has got us nowhere so far, and we need to come to an agreement. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask.